Today we're making an easy and delicious chicken and chanterelle pasta. You'll find the exact ingredients in the video description. New viewers, please subscribe to my channel. In a pan, fry the diced chicken fillet. Season with salt, pepper, sweet paprika, and flour. Fry briefly, then set aside. In the same pan and oil, we'll fry the cleaned chanterelles. Cut larger ones into smaller pieces, sprinkle with salt, and fry everything for 5 minutes. Then add the chicken back in, pour in 30% cream and half a cup of pasta cooking water. Simmer for 3 more minutes. Finally, our sauce is ready to serve. Just mix it with the pasta and your delicious meal is ready. Do try it out. I highly recommend it. Enjoy and take care.